okay to get the old storage box out. Be very careful with this really old plastic. It's over 20 years old, so it can break. It's very brittle. My method is to use a couple of coins in the corners. Don't pull up at the top here. It's not really the best way. The clips are down the front of the actual storage unit, so I put my thumbs right up in the corners and just pull up. To install the cup holder, these two pins in here have got to slide in this old rail where that lid used to go. So to get into that, you're going to go down through the back until it's level underneath the trim piece here. It has to sit right up against it. And you can push it to the back. You can see it's sliding in that rail. Now we're ready to drop it in the hole. Put the whole thing in. Clip it down. You grab the front edge of the cup holder and pull it back and up. So this front edge is underneath the plastic trim piece. Pulling it up, and there's a bit of resistance to push it forward. And push it all the way forward until it clips into place, and you shouldn't see any kind of a overhang. It should be right underneath this piece of plastic. If it looks like that, it's not all the way in. And to fix that, you're going to push forward in these two front corners here. Push really hard until the sides go across. And to get it out, put one thumb in the front, put pressure at the back. You'll see the edges start to bow in. Once they're bowed in, start releasing front pressure. And it should come out like that. And then you can just pull up at the front. This plastic is just far too flimsy for anything. Same on that side. Super steady, not going anywhere. Having the cup holder in this location is just way more convenient. It's far easier to place the cup back into the holder. You don't need to take your eyes off the road at all. It doesn't get in the way when you're driving. Most cups are going to sit below the height of the armrest, and cans of Coke. Bottles will come up a bit taller, but they do taper in at the top, so your arm goes past it anyway. As you can see with this travel tumbler, this is a 480mm travel tumbler that we actually sell that's well suited for the cup holder. So your arm just sits beside it anyway when you're driving. You can still use the armrest just fine.